Englerup Waterworks in Vestsjaelland has embarked on the future. Alongside a comprehensive renovation of its tanks, Englerup Waterworks has installed a brand new SCADA system that ensures much better monitoring and control of the waterworks processes. At the same time, all electrical installations have been updated. The backbone of the new system is an AS interface solution, also known as an ASi network, from Bihl+Wiedemann. ASi is a standardized field bus system that ensures full flexibility, high performance and stability with a minimum of cables. All of the waterworks pumps, valves and other components are linked together in a network controlled by one ASi Master. The ASi Master provides communication up to a central PLC. Cabling is limited to the special yellow ASi cable, which carries both power and data in one single cable. This keeps the cabling to an absolute minimum, ensuring an easy and cost-effective installation. It is also easy to expand the system, as one ASi Master can handle more than 100 devices. As something extraordinary, the solution at Englerup Waterworks is equipped with a number of ASi-5 motor modules that have been developed specifically for Danfoss frequency converters in the Danfoss VLT series. Thanks to software from Bihl+Wiedemann, it is extremely easy to configure the first frequency converter and then transfer these settings to another installation. This makes it possible to continuously expand your system as needed with very few resources. The ASi-5 motor module can be used in a wide range of other applications involving VLT frequency converters from Danfoss, one of the world's leading manufacturers of frequency converters. This solution is enabled by the new ASi-5 technology, the latest ASi generation from Bihl+Wiedemann. With ASi-5, it is possible to transfer larger amounts of data significantly faster than before, which is a prerequisite for Industry 4.0. For example, ASi-5 can deliver short cycle times with up to 384 digital inputs and outputs in just 1.27 milliseconds. And of course, ASi-5 is fully compatible with older ASi devices and ASi components. Englerup Waterworks now has a highly flexible, simple and reliable system that equips the waterworks for tomorrow's needs and requirements, with a minimum of cabling and without compromising on safety or flexibility.